What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this RAM remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the 2019 to 2025 RAM 2500 and 3500s, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down and taking a look at the bottom of it. This is the slot right here that the key just slid out of that I'm touching with the end of the key. So what I'm going to do is put the very end of the key in that slot, then I'm going to pry up like this, and it's going to pop this back cover up. So just put the very end of the key in there, and then pry up on that back cover. You can see it pops it up. Go ahead and pull the back cover off, and we see our battery right here. Now I'm going to use my key to get in this slot right here next to the battery. Get in that slot, and then it pops that battery out of the holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first, like that. You can see that edge is just tucked in just a little bit like that, and then snap it down into place. And then we can snap this back cover on, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.